Distance Learning with Miss Sorensen.
Hello, kindergartners! I'm wearing my pajamas today. Let me get my full costume on here. I am a narwhal. A narwhal is a mammal that lives in the ocean and has a large horn that comes out of the top of its head and kind of reminds me of half a dolphin and half a unicorn. That's a narwhal. I decided to wear my narwhal pajamas today because I love narwhals, and these are my favorite pajamas that I have. Okay, I hope you wore your pajamas today with me, and if not, that's okay because we're gonna have plenty of opportunities for some pajama days later on in this year. Okay, let's get started. How many links, looking at your chain, I'm looking at mine right now, how many links do we have left? 2 links! Today, the day before school starts, and tomorrow, the day school starts. So we have today, and then tomorrow, we get to cut that last link together to show and to celebrate that it is our first day of school. Before we can do that, we need to cut off our next link. You know, right now, I only have 1 purple and 1 red left over. My pattern in my chain was red, purple, red, purple, red, purple, red. The last 2, I only have 1 more red and 1 more purple. This is called the unit of a pattern. This is the part that repeats itself over and over again. So mine was red, purple, red, purple, red, purple. So this is called a unit. Let's put unit into our brain 3 times. Ready? Unit, unit, unit. Press it so it sticks. Unit is our new word for today. And sometimes your unit might be longer than 2 items. Mr. Gallagher, on his countdown to kindergarten chain, he did red, white, and blue, and that repeated over and over again. So red, white, blue, red, white, blue, red, white, blue. That's what his chain looked like. So red, white, and blue would have been his pattern. Tell me, what are the 2 colors that are in your unit? Tell me right now. Oh, I like those colors. Oh, I'm hearing lots of different colors. Oh, I like that. It would have been very cool and interesting to see all of our chains together in the classroom to see all of those different units that we had in our chains. Okay, yesterday we did the numeral 3. Remember how we talked about numeral is writing right, and number is when you count the number of objects. So this shows we have 1, 2, 3. The number is 3. And this shows us our numeral is 3. We drew our numeral 3 here, and then we counted to the number 3 here. Okay, and our rhyme yesterday was around a tree, around a tree. Remember, not all the way. That's the way we make a 3, right? The numeral 3. Today, if we did 3 yesterday and we take away 1, that becomes 2, right? 3, take away 1, 1, 2, 2. Good mathematicians always double check their work. So today, we have to write the numeral 2. To do that, we need to cut off a link. And my pattern, I did red yesterday, so that means today is purple, and that means I'll be ending on, what color will I be ending on? Red, right. And what color are you ending on tomorrow? Ooh, okay. Well, we know what to do. Our links, I have my scissors ready, and I have my dark marker or crayon ready. I have my black marker with me, and we're ready to go. Today, we are going to try and cut our link in 2 counts. I know, 2 counts. Can we do it? Do you think we can do it? I think we can do it. But you know, if you can't, that's okay. You can just add another snip. That's fine. Okay, scissors are ready, opened as wide as they possibly can. Scissors are ready. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2. Yay! We have our link, and then my last one fell on the ground here. So we have the link that we cut off. Mine was the color purple. And we have 1 link left. I'm bringing this with me to school tomorrow. And tomorrow, we will be taking our scissors and cutting this together. But I'll tell you more about that later. Right now, we have some writing to do. So I have my link, putting it on my clipboard so it's easier for you to see, but remember, it's gonna be more easy for you if you use the table to write your numerals. Okay, so 2. The rhyme for the numeral 2 goes like this. Around and back on the railroad track, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, I'll show you with my marker here. We're gonna go around and back on the railroad track, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, let's try that together. If you did not do that with me, let's do it together now. So around and back on the railroad track, 2, 2, 2, 2. So our 2 2s are that line at the bottom of our 2 that go across the strip. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? I'm gonna scoot it a little bit closer. Around and back on the railroad track. See, I got to track, and there's my little angle that I'm making here. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, I just made 2 2s. You could, if you would like, same thing as the last few days, you could write 2 2s. You could write your 2s in rainbow writing. You could write a big huge 2 on your strip and then color it in, and maybe color it in with 2 polka dots or 2 squares or 2 stars or 2 unicorns. You've got options. So I want you to decide what you are going to do. If you would like, you can recycle it. You can just say I am done with my link for today and put it in the recycling, or put it in your pile if you're keeping your links like I did. I like to keep souvenirs. So I have my links. We started all the way down here at the numeral 7, and I have all of them to 2. And again, you can decide, or you could do something else. Your choice. Okay, and we're gonna have lots of practice with those numerals in kindergarten together. So if you feel like you've had enough, that is okay. Okay, a little bit more about this tomorrow. There is something that people do to celebrate the start of something, and they call these ceremonies. These are usually a gathering of people, and they celebrate the start of something. Like the Olympics, there is always a ceremony to start the Winter and Summer Olympics to let everyone know that the Olympics have begun. There are many ceremonies around the world and many different types of ceremonies. There's wedding ceremonies where two people get married and they have a ceremony. It's like a gathering of people. We are going to have a kindergarten ceremony on our first day of school tomorrow. We are going to have two ceremonies. The first one is the cutting of our last link. And we're going to try our hardest, but if it doesn't happen, that's okay. We're going to try our hardest to cut it in one cut because what's the numeral that we will be talking about tomorrow? 1, right, because it's the first day of school. So, have this ready to go for tomorrow. We will be doing another ceremony tomorrow, which I will explain tomorrow, but it will have to do with more cutting. But I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay, I also have another video for us today. I know, normally I only do one, but today I have two. So I'm calling this one part 1, and the next video is part 2. So we have part 1, our cutting link, and then part 2 has to do with our paper. So have your paper out, have a pencil out. I am going to use my black marker just so it's easier for you to see my letter writing, but have a pencil ready and a piece of paper, and we are gonna make a sign together. Okay, I'll see you in just a second. I will have my narwhal top on, my narwhal hood, my narwhal head. There we go. I'm ready to go. Are you ready? Are you ready to go? I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm ready. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. I'll see you in a second.